Hello everyone, welcome back to this session of English. In this session, we are going to continue with our chapter synonyms. This is part 2. In part 1, we discussed several synonyms and we learned some sentences of them. In this session also, we are going to learn some new words and their synonyms and the sentences which can be formed using those words. So let's begin the session. Here we have 31st word. It means we have already learned 30 words in the earlier session. So the 31st word is forge. Now forge, the synonyms of forge are crafted, constructed and manufactured. So when something is manufactured or crafted or constructed or you can say manipulated, that is known as forge. For example, the Prime Minister is determined to forge a good relationship with America's new leader. It means they want to make a bond. Now, forge is a homophone as well. It has some other meaning as well, which is a negative meaning, but this meaning of forge is positive. So, with the same spelling, it has some different meanings as well. But here the word forge, it is a positive word which means to construct, to make and so on. So now let us move to the next word, that is comprehensive. Now you must have heard about a word comprehension. So in comprehension, we are given a passage that we need to understand. So this comprehensive is related to this part only. Comprehensive means understandable, that we can understand, or to understand something, or something which is in detail, which is elaborated, which is elaborated, or descriptive. So something which is thorough, complete, inclusive, or we can say elaborated, that is known as comprehensive. As we can see the unseen passage that are also in detail. So that is comprehensive. So the example sentences, they were given a comprehensive training. It means a thorough training, a complete training for making the project successful. And let us move to the next word, ambition. Now ambition refers to the desire or something that we want to become. So the synonyms are aspiration, goal, objective. Now let us see the example. His ambition of power led him in the world of crime. It means just because he wanted to be great, he wanted to be the king, or he wanted to be something on the higher position, that ambition, that desire made him do the crimes. And let us move to the next question. That is meld. Next word is meld. So the synonyms of this word are blended, fused and combined. The example sentences, the halves are in the constant motion as they flow and melt into one another. Now meld means to combine with one another. So meld, just to mix up, to mingle, that is called melt. Now let us move to the next word, that is plunder. Now plunder means something is vulgarized, or we can say looted, spoiled, theft, heist. So suppose a person plunder anything, it means he's just spoiling, he's just damaging the thing. The village was plundered by the invading army. Now let us move to the next sentence or the next word, that is restoration. So restoration, here in this word we can see the word restore. It means renewal, repair or revival. So when something is revived or when something is repaired, so this is called restoration. Now the school building is undergoing restoration. We can also use word renovation for such words. Now let us move to the next word, that is diversify. Now diversify, the synonyms of diversify are broaden, expand, vary. Now the example sentence is, the company needs to diversify. So this is the example sentence. Affiliate. Synonyms are connect, join, link. Affiliate means to join something, to connect something. Example sentence, all young groups will have to affiliate to the National Youth Agency. Now let us move to the next word, that is procession. Now procession refers to parade, or when a number of people gather to move in a particular line. That is called procession. Parade, march, line, this is called procession. These are the synonyms of procession. So let us see the example sentence. The leader's funeral procession was very imposing. Now this word imposing means very large. It means very large number of people. It means many people joined the procession, funeral procession of the leader. Procession means the parade, the march. Now let us move to the next word, that is clash. Now clash is related to a word like crash. Now if you see the crashing of something, crashing means to just move in one another, like the aeroplanes, they crash, or something that bad happened, or there's something like conflict, dispute, argument, collision, encounter. These are the synonyms of clash. For example, the members of the society clashed with one another in the WhatsApp group. Now it was the society's WhatsApp group in which the members of the societies, they clashed. It means they fought, they conflicted, they disputed. Now let us see the next sentence or next word, that is deny. Deny means to refuse something, to decline something, to refuse, reject, decline. So these are the synonyms to say no to something. So the example sentence is, she denied the bribery offered to her. It means she is very good, that she didn't accept the bribery. So denied means not to accept, to refuse something, to reject something, or to decline something. Now let us move to the next word, that is gather. Gather means to collect something. Whenever we collect something, we assemble something, that word means gather. The synonyms are meeting, assembly, conclave. The example sentence is, they gather in the park every morning. It means every morning they go to the park, they gather, and maybe do some yoga or other activities like exercise and all. So gather means just to meet, to assembly, to collect at particular place, to make a collection of something. Now let us move to the next word, that is sacred. Now sacred is related to something pious or pure. It is a heaven or God related word, which is holy, blessed, or worshipful. That is called sacred. Like the example sentence is, there was something sacred about his trust in her. It means there was something which is holy. So let us see an example sentence. There was something sacred about his trust in her. It means she was something God-like to him, that he believed in her or he used to worship her. That is why it is written that there was something sacred. It means something holy-like or something God-like. Now let us move to the next word, that is deploy. Now deploy refers to the position, arrange, or organize. It is somewhere like employment given to some people, like employ some people at some position. So this is called deploy. Example, the troops were deployed for the battle. It means a battle is going to happen soon. Therefore, some troops have been deployed over there. It means they have given the position to take their places. So this is the word deploy. Now let us move to the next word, that is detain. Now detain is somewhere related to the word retain. Retain means to stop someone or to hold someone, to hold someone. So the synonyms of this word are captured, restricted, or arrested. The example sentence, we can see is he said, I won't detain you longer, General. It means he said to the general that he would not detain him for a long time. Now let us move to the next word, that is earnestness. Now the synonyms of this word are sincerity, devotion, and earnest. So when someone is very sincere, he shows his sincerity, his seriousness, his devotion, or we can say that his abundance towards a person, that is known as earnestness. Now the example sentence is, he was admired by many for his earnestness. Now let us move to the next word, that is harmony. Now the synonyms of harmony are unity, accord, or agreement. So harmony is somewhere related to peace, and peace only happens when the people are in agreement with each other. They do not argue, they agree, they shows their consent, they present their consent. Now the example sentence is, I try to live in harmony with nature. Now let us move to the next word, that is unscrupulous. So the synonyms of this word are dishonest, immoral, and cunning. So whenever we have a prefix before a word, I have already told you that this prefix makes the word opposite, or it can have some other meaning. So scrupulous is a positive word. When we add un as a prefix with it, the word becomes negative. So the synonyms of this word are dishonest, immoral, cunning, etc. Now, if we see the example sentence, we have the example sentence like, he was too unscrupulous and self-centered to play for anything but his own hand. It means he can do anything just for his right. So now let us move to the next word, that is prosperous. Now the synonyms of this word are successful, wealthy, and booming. So when something is on the heights, when something is prospering, when something is successful or someone is successful, we can see its or his prosperity. So prosperous is something which is successful. Now, for example, he predicted a prosperous future. So prosperous future, it means successful future. Now let us move to the next word, that is disrupt. The synonyms of this word are interrupt, disturb, or upset. So you can learn this word disrupt as disturb. So this disturb is disrupt. Example sentence, do not let a little stumble disturb the woes. Now let us move to the next word, that is wield. Synonyms of this word are use, employ, or handle. Now this word has some negative impact as well. It means to control someone or to hypnotize someone. For example, Kavita wields a great deal of influence over her students. It means she controls her students very easily, or she has some influence that every student attracts towards her. Now let us move to the next word, that is outsized. Now here we can break the word like out and sized. So when the size is out of control, that is known as outsized. So when something is oversized, enormous means very huge, very large, or when something is very huge, that is called outsized. The pearls were so large that they were looking like outsized peas. It means the pearls were not in normal size. They were looking like, or they were appearing as the peas which are not in normal size. It means the pearl as well as the peas were not in normal size. They were beyond their size. Now let us move to the next word, that is collision. Now this word collision means alliance, or when two things form a particular thing. For example, the parties, they ally. It means they join together. They join together. So when something joins, that is called collision. So the synonyms are alliance, partnership, union, For example, they have been in coalition for 5 years. It means their partnership is of 5 years now. So they have been in a partnership or in coalition for 5 years. So this is called coalition. Now let us move to the next word, that is contingent. Now the synonyms of this word are dependent, conditional, reliant on. It means when something depends on another thing, it is called contingent. It means when something happens, it only happens because of something else. So when a condition is formed, that word is known as contingent. The example sentence is, the success of the project was contingent upon securing additional funding from the investors. So this can be the example sentence of this word contingent. In this, we can see the success of the project was contingent. It means the project will get success. This only depends upon the fund or the additional fund that the people will get from the investors, or the project holders get from the investors. Controversial. Now you must have heard this word many times in the news, that this is a controversy, that this is very controversial. Controversial when something is disputed, or you can say when something is highlighted. That word is known as controversial. So the synonyms of this word are debatable, in which people can debate, in which people can see many examples, in which the criticisms, the appreciations, all the things take part just for a particular thing or particular event or a particular person. Now, disputed, which is disputed, which is divisive. For example, his step of leaving the country proved to be highly controversial. It means when he left the country, this step taken by him was very controversial. Maybe possible he was not allowed for so, but it was very controversial because maybe possible he was uh, he might be a big personality, a great personality, um, who is just, you can say, the attraction for everyone. So this is how we use the word controversial. Now controversial is basically an adjective, and the word which can be the noun of controversial is controversy. Now let us move to the next word, that is criticism. Now criticism is to criticize someone. When someone criticizes someone else, that part, that thing that he uses for that particular person is criticism. That action or that event is known as criticism. This is noun. So the synonyms can be analysis, review, or opinion. The example sentence can be, though he was one of the biggest and most prominent authors, he faced a lot of criticism for his work. There are many authors, like if we see Shakespeare. So, William Shakespeare, he was one of the greatest authors. Till now, he has a big name, but his work were criticized. So, he faced a lot of criticism for his work, though he was very famous, though he was one of the biggest authors. But he faced a lot of criticism, much criticism, just for his work. Now let us move to the next word, that is bard. Now bard can be derived from the word bar. Bar, you can say bars is used for jail. So bars is used for such words like something, when something is stopped. So when something is prohibited, it means the synonyms of this word to prohibit, restrict, or hinder. For example, she entered her room angrily and barred the gate. Barred the gate barred the gate means shut down the gate or shut the gate. So barred the gate means shut the gate. So she entered her room angrily and barred the gate. This can be the example sentence of this word barred. Now let us move to the next word, that is defunct. Now defunct is used for something or some person which has been extinct. It means which is no more on this place, which is extinct, dead, or outmoded, which is no more. The company of which you bought the shares seems to be completely defunct. It means the company may have dissolved, the same company of which you have bought the shares. So this is how we can use the word defunct. Now let us move to the next word, dissolution. Now dissolution again is the same word like defunct, that is to dissolve or to break down or to disunion, to separate. That is called dissolution. The dissolution of the ice made a large puddle in the playground. It means when the ice melt, a large puddle in the playground formed. So let us move to the next word, that is endorse. So the synonyms of endorse are approve, support, confirm. The example sentence is his society endorsed his opinion wholeheartedly. So this can be the sentence of this particular word. Endorse means to support. Now this is the last word of the session. So in the next session, we'll read again some more words. Thank you very much.